Hey everyone, welcome to my channel guys, and yes, I will be listening to a song by Sai Abhyankar. So this was the first song that he released, which was also a very big hit. I have listened to Asa Pura, which is also a phenomenal song, and in that a lot of people said that, oh, listen to his another song that he released, which was a couple of months back before the release of Asa Pura. So this song is called Kachi Sera. That's how it's pronounced, Kachi Sera, and it's composed and performed by him. The music is also produced by him. Supremely talented this boy is, huh? So this is also in the Think Music India channel, and yeah, let's listen to it right away.
எண்ணமே ஏன் உன்னால உள்ள பூந்தது தன்னால கண்ணமே என் கண்ணால வெந்து செவந்து புண்ணாக ஏதோ நானும் ஒளர கொஞ்சம் காதல் வளர உள்ள வெக்கம் வளர அவ வந்தா தேடியே தன்ன நேரம் நிக்குது நெஞ்ச பூட்டி வச்சத வந்தொடச்சிட்டமா
Let's go back. I like that video. This is more of the dancing. Asa Pura is like more, I mean, this is also romantic, but I'm sorry I'm pausing. This is also romantic, but this has the more dancey vibe. Nice step. This does give you that wedding song feel, na? Wow. Very nice. Very nice. And I loved how starring, okay, her name is Samyukta. Okay. So many things that I loved about the song. And I completely understand like that why this song also became like such a big hit. Both this song, Kachi Sera and Asa Pura, both are very different in terms of vibe. Both are romantic songs only, but the vibe is completely different. Asa Pura gives more breezy, romantic feel. This is more celebratory feel, that oh yes, I'm in love, yay, let's dance about it. It's more like that. And I loved that the song also had a little bit of the wedding feel. Let me know, guys, I am sure this is the kind of song that a lot of people would play in their own weddings, because now the Sangeet is part of, like, a huge part of the wedding. So I feel that this song would definitely be incorporated in the wedding ceremonies. I mean, the Sangeet ritual of the wedding ceremonies. I could be wrong, but it's just what I felt after listening to the song. Let me know in the comments. One thing which is common for both the videos is that even this one is just so beautiful in terms of the staging, costumes, lighting, just the whole aesthetics. This is how I want people to actually invest in music videos, like indie music videos. There's a proper choreography, the camera work is great, the lighting is so beautifully done, and also if you see, the colors are so vibrant in this particular song, like how it is in weddings. Plus the incorporation of the Shehnai, beautifully integrated, incorporated, beautifully executed. And I think Sai Abhyankar has a very nice voice, very nice voice. I mean, it's made for romantic songs, I feel. Though let me know if there are more songs of his, because I remember when I had reacted to Asakura, most of the people, they had commented that there is a song which has come before Asakura, and which was this one. So this was the only song that people were talking about and asking me to react to it. So I'm assuming that there are only 2 songs that he has released so far. I'm not sure if there are songs that he has playbacked for in films. If it's the case, please let me know in the comments. But for me, this song visually is also very stunning. The video is very well executed, but the song itself, like if I just close my eyes and listen to the song, very nice to listen to, very nice to listen to. So I enjoyed it. I know I reacted to Asakura long back. I think it's been quite some months. And I was always planning that, oh no, I had this in the back of my mind, because I also write down what all I really want to react to, and the list is very long. So I had this in the back of my mind that I have to listen to that other song of Sai Abhyankar. And finally today, the day has come, so I'm very happy. So that gets ticked off as well. And I'm glad that I listened to it, because I got exposed to another great song. And yeah, keep your recommendations coming in for variety of Tamil songs, because I react to a lot of different songs. It's just not Tamil songs, it's Malayalam, then Punjabi, Desi hip hop, Hindi, this and that. So yes, your suggestions are welcome. And yeah, I'm gonna sign off now from this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this reaction, and I will see you soon on my next one. Bye!